Okay, we're about to ride a motorcycle. Ready?
Ready? About to ride.
Wait.
Oh, we got hiccup speed.
Wait.
Get off the ground.
Oh!
Bro, my phone's falling. I got it.
Okay.
Hello. Pouring ourselves riding. Yellow motorcycle. Yellow right there.
Yellow. Hello.
What's up? We about to cross Racine.
Okay, then where?
By the way,
We're going straight?
that's not where I live. Yeah, keep going straight.
I don't live here.
What if we get on hay, bro? There's gonna be a whole bunch of traffic. But anyway, look at all these houses, beautiful trees. Look, there's a bike. Let's jack that damn bike.
Watch out for traffic.
Watch out for traffic, left and right. Yes, we are beasts. Just keep watching.
We might get hit.
What if we ran out of electric? There's a stop sign approaching. Look at this car. Let's just wave. We're gonna wave. See if he waves. Yeah, he waved. Yeah, we a beast.
I ain't trying to get
This
hit.
is our second video, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is just a follow-up. And we just crossed hay. And we did not get hit.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, Bush! We almost crashed.
Almost crashing in President Bush.
Almost crashed. President Bush, you heard it. Right there from Jayla. President. We should be on Comedy Central. Oh my god, are we going down the wrong street? Oh, no. I was about to say.